Hello, teacher, and all of you. Now I learn until day 16. Phonogram. Letter B. Sound. Burst. 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 At. Bread. Burst. Gus. Bag. Burst. E. Bin. Blending. Burst. Est. Breast. Burst. Cup. 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 Burst. Eagles. Big. Big. Burst. Eggs. Bed. 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 Rush. Burst. Rib. Rib. Ribs. Rib. 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 Ribs. Burst. Ox. Burst. Ox. Boss. 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 Simple sentence. Bad Fred. Bad Fred get a big lesson from Pip. Bad Fred. Fred get a big lesson from Pip. Fred អាក្រក់ទទួលបានមេរៀនដ៏ធំមួយពី Pip. Big Pip can run fast. Big Pip can run fast. Pip ធំមួយ Pip ធំនោះគឺអាចរត់បានយ៉ាងលឿន Brand scrape his brake off trick. Brand scrape his brake off trick. Trick. Ben អាចយកកាបូបរបស់គាត់ដោយប្រើល្បិច ឬ Ben ប្រើល្បិចដើម្បីចាប់យកកាបូបរបស់គាត់ In his brake, Ben has a brat. In his brake, Ben has a brat. Ben មានសត្វប្រចៀវមួយក្បាលនៅក្នុងកាបូបរបស់គាត់ Ben has a lot of bug and grub. Ben has a lot of bugs and grub. Ben មានសត្វល្អិតចង្រៃនិងដង្កូវជាច្រើន Ben has a lot of bug and grub. Thank you.